Tell us what you found.
Hey everyone, believe it or not, we are still in South Carolina. So this weekend we got a big snowstorm. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think it would actually get this bad. It's not really that bad, but it's still like bad for the unprepared. We are in South Carolina. I'm from Pennsylvania, if you guys don't know. I've only been here 3 years, and this is definitely the worst snow I've ever seen here. I didn't bring a snow shovel, you know what I mean? So I'm over here with gosh, they're gonna laugh at me. I'm here with these tools right here. We got a broom, we got one of those garden rakes, and a spade shovel. So, you know, I tried shoveling the driveway because it did rain, and then it's snowing, and then we're gonna get more rain, or it's gonna get colder and it's gonna turn into ice. And we really wanted to go to the farm this weekend. I don't think that's happening. I mean, unless the sun comes out and magically gets rid of all this stuff, we just don't have the tools to clean our driveway. I mean, I could be out here with this little shovel for hours, which is fine. I guess I can do that, but still, I don't know if it's gonna get us very far. But anyway, you guys probably, I don't know if I put the clip of the dogs already, but if not, I'll put it in here.
You getting your frisbee? Your face. Is it frozen to the railing?
Yeah. That was their first reaction to the big snow, and I haven't really spent time with the animals yet. We fed them and everything, but we didn't. I mean, some of the cages we can't even get in because they're frozen, and there's just a lot. I'm gonna come out probably like more midday when the snow's stopped, and so snow stopped snowing. It's 100% up till about 9 a.m. Right now it's like 7 a.m. And the rest of the day is like a 30% chance. So I'm assuming we'll get some, but I don't think it's gonna last very long. I'm trying to think. I want to take some pictures, obviously, of the animals for the sanctuary, and I'm trying to take a couple cool snow pictures too, since I'm out here before all the snow. Oh gosh, it's getting really windy. Hopefully the microphone's okay. I probably should get going though, because I don't know how the microphone's gonna sound. I'm worried about it now. But I'll show you the driveway. I mean, I don't think we're getting very far. I'm gonna see. Ben hurt his back, so he can't do anything, and I don't know if I'll be able to do it myself, but I could try it. I might come out a little bit later. It's gonna get much colder though. It's like 20 something right now. It's gonna get lower in the 20s. I know for all of you in the north, they're like, ah, that's nothing. Believe me, I know, but it's still cold once you've adjusted to this climate. Anyway, here's hoping the electric stays on too. And we're gonna see how this goes. But I think the majority of this vlog, if we make it out to the farm, I'll include it in there. It won't be till tomorrow, but I'm hoping we'll be able to make it out there because I'm not gonna be able to go next weekend. And it'll be a bunch of animal clips, so animals enjoying the snow. But anyway, I'm gonna go I'm gonna take some pictures and then maybe try to do a little bit more of the shoveling. I don't know, we'll see.
You guys ready? What are you doing? What do you guys think, huh?
It is the next day. We made it out to the farm. I didn't show too much yesterday of the snow playing because honestly I was over it after like 5 minutes. We got the animals to eat and everything, and then I was just like, I don't want to go inside. So it was pretty cold yesterday. It's still pretty cold today, but at least the sun is out. And we have a whole list of things we want to do today. Oop. And there goes Everest. We want to put up our mailbox. We want to, if the ground's not frozen, it shouldn't be frozen. We want to put up no trespassing signs. We want to check our trail cameras. We want to check to see, obviously, if anybody's taken any of their stuff down. What else do we want to do? I feel like there's something else. We want to film some announcement videos because we haven't announced our new farm yet for Carolina or for Wild Pines, so we need to do some videos for that. And I feel like there's something else. Oh, we had to change some locks because we had some people coming out. We gotta get gravel dropped off this week, and electric companies coming out this week. So those are some things that we are doing. Not too much because it is, I actually have no idea what time it is. I'm gonna say it's somewhere around noon or close to noon. I'm actually getting really hungry. We packed a bunch of soup and thermoses. It's only gonna get to be about 44 degrees today. I think Ben's down here starting a fire, so I probably should go help him. But I will check back in with you guys once I get down there. Got her. Well, we were walking around for a little bit, and we walked up to the front gate. It was just a walk. We were looking at tracks and trees and all kinds of stuff, and Ben's dad came, and they're walking around now, and I'm just hanging out here because they're hanging out at the abandoned house right now. So I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I might start looking at the mailbox stuff because we gotta pre-drill some holes. I might mark the holes and try to drill those, maybe, possibly, or maybe I'll just walk around. I could go on a little adventure. I've been wanting to just go walk around anyway, so it makes sense. But I am having some of this hot chocolate. It feels cold. Nope, just the outside's cold. It is scalding hot still. The sun is out, the snow is melting. It just makes me happy that the snow is melting. I'm just over it. But it was cool, you know, to see some snow at the farm, because who knows when that'll happen again here in South Carolina. But anyway, I feel like I'm babbling at this point. I will either go work on some mailbox stuff or walk around. If I walk around, I'll take you guys with me, obviously. Because I don't even have the lighter for the fire. I'm just here with the food. Which we're almost out of food too. We only have one thing of soup left. We've only been here like maybe an hour and a half. We checked one of the trail camera locations of the hunters, and it was gone. We checked our camera, our trail cam, and we saw someone coming in on a four-wheeler, so we are assuming they took what they needed to take off the property. So I'm taking a little stroll. Because I lost the group, or I ditched the group, and I'm just gonna go check the stand and stuff, I guess. I don't know. I'm just wandering around. I'm having a good time. We were down on the whole other side of the property, and now I'm going over to this one hunting stand. It's the green one. I think the first one we put a note at. I don't remember, but you saw it in the last video. I'm just going over here to see if they got our note or if anything's changed, because I still see it. I was like, maybe they just took it out, but I still see it. I don't know if they're gonna take their stands or what. Again, they still have until beginning of February to take them down, so. Whew. It's quite the hike, especially in snow. It's not even that much snow, but it is a little slippery, you know, I can't walk. I am filming on a new camera today. It's the Sony ZV-1. I wanted to try out a new vlogging camera and I really liked it so far. Especially like my little wind blocker for the microphone, because it is mighty windy. Hey, Charlie. Really? I don't know if you guys can see him. Come here. He's been like traveling in between me and them. He comes and checks on me again. Come on. Alright, we're going to investigate. Well, here I am at the stand. I don't see our note anywhere. I wonder if it blew away or something. I can't tell. All the trash is still here, obviously, so maybe it's here somewhere. Nope. I don't remember where Ben put this one, so I thought it was on the chair. Actually, that might be it under the snow and stuff, so probably haven't visited this stand. I see Ben all the way back there. I don't know if you guys can see him. I'm just taking a look back here because we did a lot of planning recently and I'm trying to get the layout, the idea of the layout. There's Ben, you can see his orange hat. Plus you can see the 3 dogs with him. One of the dogs is Parker, Ben's parents' dog. Just to let you guys know, we didn't get a new dog yet. But I think they're thinking about putting a pond in right here somewhere where this lowers down. Pretty sure. The dogs just saw a vulture and they started chasing him. Come here! Come here! Here. Ben is currently out front digging a hole for the mailbox post, and I am taking this board. This is the one that's going to be under the mailbox, and it'll attach to the board that the post that he's digging a hole for. And I'm pre-drilling holes. We forgot the drill, so I'm doing it the old-fashioned way, you know. I only got one done so far, working on this one. So you could see the holes inside the mailbox. There's like, how many are there? 8 holes. I'll be done in like 10 hours. I finished up my work with the mailbox board and it's time to move on to the next step. We got the mailbox up. I didn't really film much of that at all. I don't even know if I included many clips. I don't know if it's correct, but it's close enough, and if the post office doesn't like it, then they will tell us to fix it. I'm just glad that that's out of the way. I put the numbers on it, post is in the ground, everything's good to go for now. It is actually getting late. We ran out of time, so this vlog might run a little bit short. But we are putting up 2 new trail cams right now, and we're trying to find a spot for that, and then we have to film some videos. And I was thinking we were going to take down some of these cedar trees under this oak and clear that up, but I don't think we're going to get around to it. Let's go see if we can find Ben and put up the trail cams. Woo. We actually got some people out here today and got a quote. Well, we haven't gotten the quotes yet, but quotes for some of the construction that we want to do out here, so it's exciting. I just love how, I don't know if you can see, but it's like raining. Well, all the snow is melting, so it's just like dripping off the side of the roof. It's really pretty. I love it. Ben's really going down this way. I'm just following behind him. Snow's melted quite a bit, as you can see. I know at home it's not anywhere close to melting. Well, probably melted a good bit, but it's probably pretty bad still. Oh, I don't know how far we're going. But we did talk a lot about projects that we're going to be doing here soon, like the dome. The dome should, if all things go well, the dome should be here, I would say like first week of March, but worst case, like with delays and everything, at least by the end of March. So we got to think about a deck and everything for that. So we thought about placement for that. We didn't get around to flagging anything. We were gonna flag the dome area, the road where we're gonna put gravel and stuff, because our gravel guy is gonna come either this week or next week. But we didn't get around to that. I don't know if we might do some things, I don't know. But right now we're just working on trail cams and filming videos, like announcement videos for our other channels and stuff. Make sure you go subscribe to those channels, Wild Pine Sanctuary and Carolina Wild Harvest. But I found Ben. He's right here. And the dogs. The sun is burning my eyes. Looks like we found a spot for trail cam number 1. And then we have one more to put up after this one, which I don't really know where that one's going, but how's it going? Ev? Ev? Hey, darling. Hey. Everest. What is it, Lily? Get it. Get it. Go get it. What's going on? What are you doing now? Okay. There he is, finally. He's been running around, doing all kinds of stuff today. So, what did you do today?
We got somebody coming out to do a quote on one of the sheds, and putting cement in and getting that built up for us. We put our mailbox up.
Yeah.
Met one of the neighbors.
Oh yeah, that's right, you didn't. I forgot about that.
Just doing some walking around as well. Looks like the hunters took their cameras, so that's good.
Still no sign at the stands, but
Yeah, we caught them on one of our cameras though, picking up their stuff, which is good.
yeah, happy about that. I wonder if they took their tent and stuff.
Yeah, we can go
Probably.
check that too.
Got the cam. You didn't replace it. We're just taking that one.
I think we take it and move it.
Okay. So that's the one we had set up. We have some footage on there. And we're going to take that home. We forgot the laptop this time to look at the stuff anyway. Plus the battery we got to charge. And then we just have to find a spot for that one right there.
Yep, new one.
Really?
Pretty good spot.
Yeah. What are we thinking?
I don't know. I almost want to do it kind of where we found that guy's over here.
Okay.
Maybe right there.
And then next we just need to film, right? And are we doing anything else? Are we going to mark the gravel? We'll mark a area for our gravel drop off.
Well, I guess we might be doing that too. We'll see what we can get accomplished here. Filming shouldn't take all that long, and I probably want to get out of here pretty soon, but probably get it done.
Tell us what you found.
Found some really, really old oyster mushrooms. All rotten, but there are tons of them.
They're everywhere here.
So this will be fruiting again.
Soon?
Yeah, as it warms up. I mean, this happened this winter.
Yeah.
It's really disgusting.
Yeah, they're all this way.
You remember when we walked through here last time and I was like, I smell something.
Yeah,
like, I
that's
smell
what it
oysters. So, yeah, here's the oysters.
He thinks he may have seen more oysters. Is it? More oysters. They're kind of firm. Oh.
Yeah, they're kind of clustered and got gills and
Nice.
they're old, but there will be more.
Heck yeah.
Especially after all the snow melt. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. It's beautiful. Great lines going crazy.
That's insane.
Probably like 100-year-old grape right there.
Oh yeah.
Alright you guys, we are actually getting ready to head home. We didn't do much else after we placed all the cameras. We filmed some videos that we needed to film, but that was about it. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching.